Jai Hind. This video is about how to join Indian Army as an officer under NCC Special Entry Scheme. 50 men and 5 women are commissioned under NCC Special Entry Scheme every year. Usually, online application is open for 1 month from mid-June to mid-July every year. For example, in the current year, online application is open from 16 June to 15 July 2021. Now let's discuss about eligibility conditions to apply for NCC Special Entry Scheme. Nationality. Candidate must be either a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal. Age limit is 19 to 25 years. Educational qualification required is graduation with 50% marks, taking into account marks of all the years. Students studying in final year of degree course can also apply, provided their aggregate marks in previous years of degree course should be 50% or more. The candidate should have obtained minimum B grade in NCCC certificate exam. If you are not holding NCCC certificate on the day of application, you are not eligible to apply. Now let's talk about how to apply for NCC Special Entry Scheme. First, open the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. After that, you need to register. Tap on Officer's Entry, Apply oblique Login. Then a form will open up, New Registration. If you haven't registered already, you need to register now. Go down and tap at Registration. A list of instructions will open up. Read them carefully and then go down and tap at Continue. A registration form will open up where you need to fill in all your details. After filling all the details, you need to click on Submit. Once the registration is done, you need to log in using your username and password. After the login, you can apply online for NCC Special Entry Scheme. The candidates are required to take out 2 copies of their application having roll number 30 minutes after final closure of online application on last day. Suppose the last day for online application is 15th of July 3 p.m. Then on 15th of July at 3:30 p.m. you can take out the printout of your application. The candidates are advised to read the notification carefully and then fill up online application form to avoid mistakes and thereby rejection of application. The notification is available at joinindianarmy.nic.in in PDF file form, which you can download. Now let's discuss about the selection procedure of NCC Special Entry Scheme. After the last date of online application, shortlisting of applications is done. Army Headquarters reserves the right for shortlisting of applications without assigning any reason. So we don't know on what basis do they shortlist the applications. After the shortlisting of applications, the candidates will be informed via their email. SSB centers are allotted to the candidates where they would have to come for SSB interview on given date. Shortlisted candidates can be called at any of these 4 SSB centers: Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore, and Kapurthala. They will be informed about their SSB center via SMS and registered email ID. Documents to be taken to SSB center when called for SSB interview. 1 copy of the printout of application duly signed and affixed with self-attested photograph. Class 10th pass certificate and mark sheet. Class 12th certificate and mark sheet. Graduation degree. If you don't have graduation degree, you can also take provisional degree of graduation. Mark sheets of all the years of graduation and NCC C certificate. All these documents need to be carried in original. Candidates will be put through two-stage selection procedure. Those who clear stage 1 will go to stage 2. Those who fail in stage 1 will be returned on the same day. SSB selection is a 5 days procedure, the details of which are available at www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Candidates who clear stage 2 will undergo medical examination. After the medical examination, a merit list is prepared. Depending on number of vacancies, certain candidates will get call letter. These selected candidates will undergo 49 weeks training at OTA Chennai, means Officers Training Academy Chennai. After successful completion of the training, the candidates will get commissioned rank of lieutenant. Short service commission will be granted to them in the regular army for 14 years. That is for an initial period of 10 years, extendable by a further period of 4 years. Officers who are willing to continue to serve in the army after the expiry of period of 10 years of short service commission may be considered for the grant of permanent commission in the 10th year of their short service commission. So this was all about NCC Special Entry Scheme. Jai Hind.